Hi, I'm Ken Moore, Chairman of Impact. I'd like to solicit your help in fighting the challenges that we face every day in our practices from trial lawyers, insurers, and other outside sources.
It's so important that we as physicians become involved in the legislative process, that we know our state representatives and our state senators, that we become financially involved in campaigns, that we become involved in impact.
I know I've been involved in Washington the last year and a half in a very intense debate on healthcare reform. We've seen what happened with the American Medical Association and what happened with organized medicines. We've really had a beginning of a government takeover of medicine.
Through Impact, we're able to collect money from physicians across the state of Tennessee to elect candidates that are friendly to the causes of medicine.
More government, more taxation, more decision making being made in Washington, D.C. All that will happen unless you get involved.
Impact is down there every day, monitoring, guiding, explaining legislation, and they help elect legislators that care about good health care policy.
Of 132 representatives and senators, about 25 of them are lawyers. They're the ones making the laws that affect us and our patients.
I've been over a 30-year member of the Tennessee Medical Association, served as a medical society president, stayed active throughout those years. What convinced me to run for Congress was what I could see coming down the pike nationally and locally.
After 20 years in medicine, from medical school all the way through to practicing here at Vanderbilt University, and then 12 years doing something very different, serving in the United States Senate, ultimately as majority leader, I've been able to see both sides.
As a physician and a state representative, I have insight on both sides of the issue. I can assure you, as my fellow physicians, that your financial support for Impact and your personal support for your legislators is critically important.
There's no more important way to have your voice heard, your voice, the voice of the physician, the voice of the healing medical profession, the voice of the patient. There's no better way than joining Impact, where every dollar invested goes to that bottom line of giving you voice.
I know that's why you went into medicine. I know you want to make a difference. Support Impact.
You literally can change the course of the future of medicine, your profession, as well as the care of the individual patient.
This organization can speak for us and helps us have our voice heard both in Nashville and in Washington.
Representative Joe Armstrong may have said it best when he said, "If you're not at the table, you're on the menu." Come join me in the fight now.